Hello and welcome. Today we are opening our very first ever mini minis for the Fill the Fridge collection. I haven't been a collector of mini brands for very long, and this mini series will most likely be one I just have to complete. Looks like we're starting off with the kettle magnet. And our very first mini is the water bottle. Up next we have Morningstar Farms original sausage patties. We've got the lamb chops, and Auntie Annie's soft pretzels. Two eggplants on a tray. And the Pizza Hut pepperoni pizza. Follow for part 2 and see you next time.